Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute graduation hat. It's made of paper, black paper, and this part is made with twine. We will use twine in different colors. This is a project that I have to create for a shop I collaborate with, and so I thought, why don't share this paper creation with my followers. So let's get started to create this super cute graduation hat. You will need for the hat a piece of paper in black. Here in Italy we usually create the hat in black, but you can create them in many different colors. So we will need a square, and my square is 4 centimeter and half and 4 centimeter and half. And then we will need to create a rectangle like this one. It's long 13 centimeters, and then we will need something like this brush in order to round our rectangle, so it will be more easy to create this part. Okay, we will need to do in this way, and because it's a little longer we will cut a part. So we will need to take the measure of our length, and then with a pencil you can do a little trace, this little sign, so we can cut this part. And then with some tacky glue we will glue the final part of the rectangle. Voila. Here. Okay, and so we will have this paper circle. Voila. Okay, now we will need to glue together these two parts, and then with some tacky glue we will glue together this part to our square in this way. Press down. Okay, and here your graduation hat. So nice. You can use this as a home decor, as a miniature. You can gift this graduation hat to a graduate, and it's quite nice. In my case, it will be I will create an exploding box. So a box, and inside in the center of the box there will be this hat glue to the center. Okay, but you can use it as a, I remember a lady that used this as a cap for some bottles, and it's quite nice as a lid cap. I don't remember, but you can put this think of this as a voila, something like this. Okay, now we will need to create this part. You can use a twine. I will use this because I need to create 2 in red and white and 2 in blue and white. Okay, we will need this piece of twine, fold enough, and then enough, and then enough, and you will have this. Okay, Now we will need to create this part, and so cut another piece of this twine, and we will do in this way. Okay, put this here, and then we will create two knots, one knot and the second one knot. Okay, now we will need to create this part, and so we will cut another piece of twine, and here we will need to pass it here. Voila, and voila. And then now voila, and another knot is better. So voila. Now with a pair of scissors we will need to cut this part, and voila. Okay, now we will need to cut the excess. Okay, in order to create a sort of here. Voila, here our twine. Okay, now we will need here this part. You can glue this to the other with some tacky glue. So here, and then we will punch a hole here in order to pass our twine through the hat. Voila, and with something a little sharp we will create a bigger hole, and then we will pass, better to have the same length, we will pass our twine through the hole. Okay, with some patience. Okay, now voila, here your twine, and then we will tie a knot here. And here our graduation hat. Now it's ready. One in red and one in blue. They are so nice, and I think the possibility with this graduation hat are endless, because you can use them as home decor, you can hang them. They are so nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creation. Bye bye.